Let's take a look at how to use Flippity flashcards with checkboxes so that when we check a box, certain flashcard will appear based on whatever it is we're studying. So we can uncheck or check these boxes to show or hide certain flashcards. Go ahead and make a copy of the template. I've already done that. And we're going to do US states and capitals. So I'm going to make another sheet here, push to the right, and just call that states. That's fine. And in B1 here, I'm going to call this state. And in C1, I'm going to call it capital. And I'll bold both of those and also freeze that row. I did a search for just a list of the states and capitals, and I found this list. All right, highlight your data and copy it. And I would suggest when you paste it, paste with Control-Shift-V to remove any formatting. And then we just have to move columns D and E over to B and C. Now, what we're going to do is put checkboxes in column A here so that when you check a box, that state and capital will appear in this list over here for columns A and B. So to do this, you can right-click on column A and go down to data validation, or go up to data and go to data validation. And one of the choices here is for the criteria to do a checkbox. All right, so I'm going to select that and hit save. And I'm just going to use the fill handle to bring that all the way down to the bottom here. Okay, and so now I can check boxes however I see fit. All right, and we'll just leave this Arizona one checked. Go over to your demo tab, and what you're going to do is filter that list based off of those checkboxes. So we're going to use the equals filter function, left parenthesis, and in the range, what range do we want to filter? All right, so I'm going to go back to the states, and we want to filter both the state name and the capital. So I'm going to highlight these, and I want to filter them. I'm going to press a comma when the box is checked in column A. So I'm going to highlight column A, and I only want them to show when the box is checked. The way we do that is by writing equals true. That means the box is checked. Close your parenthesis and press enter. And now you'll see Arizona and Phoenix. All right, let's say we're staying in that same area and we want to also do New Mexico and Texas. I'll check those boxes as well. And here they are on the, oh, this isn't aligned. By the way, Control-Shift-E does a center align, if that makes a difference to you. So now you see there's also Texas and New Mexico. Don't forget, go to File, publish this to the web. I've already done that. And let's take a look at what this looks like. All right, so you'll see these 3 flashcards, all from the Southwest. All right, and the problem is you're going to see a bunch of blanks that are just different colors. The reason that happens is because when you go to the demo here, you see these other colors. It's reading it as if there are actually flashcards there. The way I get around this, you either delete all the colors and just have white ones, or you could do something like an if statement. So equals if this cell, sorry, if is blank. So this is saying if cell A3 is blank, then put nothing. But if there's text in there, put the word red and close your parentheses. All right. And you could do the same thing for D. You know, these are all going to be red, but you could change these colors if you wanted to. And now you'll see that these are blank until I check another box. And now it'll put, actually puts in order, Ohio, Columbus. That's also red and red. And when I go to my flashcards, you'll see only those cards come up. All right, which makes it much easier also when you're doing like matching, because only those ones show up. All right.